Hey everyone, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. So today starts the very first video for my memory planner for 2019. Again, yes, this is going to be for 2019. All these videos will be under a playlist on my channel, so you can find them there. So I'm using a 2020 planner for Erin Condren. It's an Erin Condren vertical life planner. So I did have to white it out, basically just getting rid of all the pre-printed dates and using it for 2019 the way that I need it to. I'm using this kit from Sweet Kawaii Designs, and if you notice, I did cut certain strips from the top from the top washi that goes all the way across, because I wanted to mark out some of the dates that were originally there. You could still see the whiteout marks, so I kind of wanted to cover that. So you'll see it in a second, but I just used the extra strips to kind of put those down so you don't really see it as well. Then I just took the date covers and laid them out. I was trying to figure out whether or not the monthly overview started with Monday or Sunday. So that's why I kind of kept flipping back and forth between the pages. And then I'm taking the big boxes and I'm marking out the bottoms of the boxes where Friday and Saturday are. January 2018 stopped for, January 2019 stopped on Thursday, January 31st. So the Friday and Saturday I didn't need, so I kind of just wanted to mark those out. I know these boxes could be used for marking out, a special day or something in the month, but I just used them to block it out. And then, like I said earlier, I used the extra strips that I cut, and I'm just placing them below the January strip of washi. I originally started with one, but then I realized that where I cut from before, it matches up a little better, even though it's not 100% perfect because I'm trying to match it up now, but you get the idea. So I'm just lining that up for Sunday and Monday, and then I am just cutting off the excess where Tuesday is, because Tuesday starts January 1st. So I'm just taking my slice tool and cutting that extra piece off. And then I'm going through this and laying down the numbers. And I did speed through this faster than what the rest of it is sped through at. I hope this is okay with everybody. I hope you guys like it. I hope it's not too fast, but I figured it's kind of boring just to sit there watching me put numbers on a page. So I tried to speed through this as fast as I could. If you did notice too, I did one side first instead of flipping back and forth in between the two pages. It was kind of cumbersome to me, I guess, to do it that way. So I just did one half of January and then went back in and did the other half. I'm sorry that you can't really see the bottom too well. I tried to set up my camera a little bit different and realized that halfway through the video it wasn't a good idea to set it up that way. I'm sorry that sometimes you can't always see the bottom half in view. I try to keep in mind that that's happening, so I try to flip the planner, up and down a little bit, but yeah. So I did put in the page 1 of 365 sidebar on the right hand side and realized that the top washi part went out farther than that, so I just cut it off a little bit. And then I'm laying the dollar bill stickers in for my paydays. January did have 5 weeks, and there were only 4 little dollar bills, but I wound up using something later on to mark that. I think I marked something. I think I used something else to mark that it was a payday. Again, I'm sorry that you can't really see it, but I was just laying those down. I did have one last full box, so I just took the 26 off and put, the 27 and put that down on top of it. And I put the little balloon stickers down. It was 6 months. January 27th is when excuse me, my husband and I got married. So I just wanted to mark that down. And then the rest of the month, I'm just laying out birthdays and anniversaries or special things that I did, just to kind of use it that way. I used stickers from the kit that were like bill related, so lights and cable and things like that, but I didn't write it what it was. I just used a sticker. I really wanted to use a monthly overview just for kind of just as a fun thing, and also to not waste the pages so much. But as you could see, on the 5th, 9th, 14th, and 20th, I put something down, as well as the 25th and the 24th. Yeah. So the 5th was friend's birthday. The 9th was my cousin's birthday. The 14th and 20th was also two different cousins' birthdays. The 24th was 4.5 years that my husband have been together. The 25th was a friend's birthday, and the 27th, like I said, was 6 months that my husband and I have been married. So I tried to put in well, then you saw that I moved the dollar bills. I wanted to put it in the bottom right-hand corner instead of the bottom left-hand corner. And then I wanted to put in quarter boxes for all of the events, as you see, but I tried to put it in on the 24th and it wasn't working too well. So that's what made me move the dollar bills. And then I just put a little wine glass on the 24th to mark the 4.5-year anniversary with my husband, as just being together. So like I said a minute ago, I did use some of the utility bills, utility stickers from the kit, just to mark down certain bills that I needed to pay. So I used the cell phone bill and the little house bill for my house payment. I did use the car for a car payment, so I did move the little cell phone on the 1st so I could fit the car. And then the 10th and the 31st I had bills as well, but they didn't have specific kinds of bills like the phone, so I just put that the little envelope with the bill sticking out. 12th was my UI bill that was due, and 23rd was my water bill. And then for the rest of the days, I just put in the wacky holidays that are provided with the kit. I think these are really cute. I think some of the wacky holidays are just so funny. I really like to use them. I know that some days look a little crowded compared to other days because there's a lot, on some days, but I really tried to use everything that was in the kit. I really didn't want to waste it. Also with this kit, it's on vinyl sticker paper, and I've never used vinyl stickers before, and they are removable, and they are probably the best thing I've ever used in my life. I use the undo removal that pretty much every planner person uses nowadays to remove stickers, and it's great. But vinyl stickers are next level. It's amazing. Just peeling up the sticker and it not ripping your page or leaving a residue or anything is just phenomenal. Honestly, it's phenomenal. It's a game changer. So I'm still just putting in all of the wacky holidays. And then in the bottom right hand corner, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and I'm not a fan of it, but I laid down all the extra like washi pieces, I guess I had, you can call them, and just cut them to size. I kind of skipped it because, again, I wasn't a fan and it's kind of boring to watch, but I'm going to try to figure out something else to do over here. I think the monthly kits that I use from Sweet Kawaii Design kind of are set up the same way. It's got the same layout. I know that it does change, I believe, in March of 2019 for the kits that I have. So I'm going to try to figure out something, but to the end, and I laid them all out, and then I put this extra quarter box that I had in, and then just put a reminder that it was trash night on Wednesdays because I didn't have more than one sticker for that. And yeah, so this is again the first video for memory planning of 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you get a notification every time I post. And make sure that you are following me on my Instagram, as I will post any information regarding this channel over there as well. Thanks for watching.